We're going to look at multiplication grid, otherwise called a lattice, Chinese method, or Napier's bones. First thing we need to do is write a grid for how many digits we have. So we've got 27 times 36. Doesn't matter which way up they go. Use these lines to divide up the rectangles so you can calculate the sum, because we need to know the tens and units. So 7 times 3 is 21. It goes like that. 7 times 6 is 42. 4's in the tens, 2 in the units. 2 times 6 is 12, there it goes again, and 2 times 3 is 6, and you can put the 0 in if it helps. And then we need to add the columns. So that first column is 0, the second column adds up to 9, the third column is 7, the last column is 2, and if you have a look you can see the number 972. So we're going to look at 43 times 213. 43 times 213. So there's enough rectangle boxes for all your digits. Now let's put in your grid lines and remind ourselves tens at the top, units at the bottom. Good, let's make a start. 2 times 3 is 6. I've left the zeros out. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Next column, 2 times 4 is 8. The zero's in here if you need it. 1 times 4 is 4. And 4 times 3 is 12. And let's add up the rows. That row is 0. That row is 8, 11. Now we need to carry that 10 up to make that a 9. Put the 1 down. Our next row is 5, and then our next row is 9. If we write them all out, you can see we've got 9,159. So let's have a look at a bigger number. And again, so we've got 3 columns in and 4 rows for this number. 261 times 1,055. So 1 times 1 is 1. Nothing times 1 is nothing. 5 times 1 is 5. And again, 5 times 1 is 5. So then we do the same again, next row. 1 times 6 is 6. Nothing times 6, nothing. 5 times 6, so that's 30. 3 in our tens, 0 in our units. 5 times 6 again, 30. And next row, 1 times 2 is 2. 0 times 2 is 0. And 5 times 2, well that's 10. 1's in our tens, 0 in our units. And 2 times 5 again, that's tens. And then we add up our rows. In this row, 0. This row, 2. In this row, 7, 5, you get the idea. 3, 5 and 5. We carry all those numbers down, write them out, put a comma in for our 3 digits from the end. 275,355.